I'm about to put you guys on. I literally just got off of work and I got this shipment in, and I decided that I'm gonna vlog this process because I'm gonna take you guys on my gym journey with me as well. So in about 2 weeks, y'all, so yeah, right, y'all, but in about 2 weeks I'm gonna start going to the gym. I'm gonna be in college, I'm gonna be working, and I'm gonna be with my son. So we're in for a wild ride, y'all, but I'm gonna take you guys with me. Anyway, here's the products that I got. So yeah, hold on. So this is all from Amazon, by the way, but god damn, I did not know this was so big, so freaking big. But I got this product, Vanilla Naked Mask, that helps tremendously with my health and start working out. It holds your phone and cards and stuff, and then it then I got this for when I lift bars and stuff, when I do hip thrust and stuff like that. And then I also, I don't remember what this is. I don't think I want to open it, but I'm gonna open it for you guys anyway. So it's literally these bands that like you do squats with, but I also forgot to record this product. It's creatine powder, and it helps your muscles rebuild. Bye. I'll see you guys in the future. I don't know which video I'm gonna put this in, but yeah. Bye, y'all. So today I'm gonna pick up my glasses. It is Friday, June 30th at 11:35. I'm literally making this run. I was debating if I should even make this run because I wanted to either be lazy and stay in bed until work, or just go for it while I have the chance. And I'm gonna try to get over this like fear of like recording in public, but I'm gonna get over it. Probably not today though, so yeah. See you guys in a bit though. So y'all, I got my glasses. I'm so happy because, oh my god, these were raggedy. Like, I mean, I had them for like years, like I think like 2 years, y'all, and I think they were long overdue. And these are the glasses. Look at the freaking details, y'all. Look at them. Look at the details. I made sure that the product that I got had gold in it because I wear gold a lot, like gold accessories and stuff. So yeah, but this is the girls, y'all. This is the girl. It's so freaking cute. Giving the girls what it's supposed to give. Rich wool. Yeah, don't hug me. Bye. Y'all, I had to take off my freaking jacket fast as heck because I don't know what I was thinking. That shit is hot outside and my AC. Before I get ready for work or whatever, I know the reason why I wore the jacket though, because I didn't want my bra strap showing with this, but yeah, big blue problem. Anyway, so I'm gonna air fry some salmon and make a salad. This is the salmon, y'all. Literally just adding a little bit more of Old Bay. Cause I don't like my salmon tasting like fish, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna come back when it's finished being prepared. While I'm waiting, you know, I still have a lot of time before I have to get ready for work. And while I'm waiting on my salmon to cook, I am literally about to sign up for a exam, a CLEP exam. I'm about to put you guys on. So if you're a freshman or anybody that's planning to go to college or is in college or whatever, and you have a class that you don't want to spend time to take in college or pay the fee, but you need that class, you can go ahead and like look on your school website or ask your advising counselor or whatever and see what courses they allow you to take or whatever the case may be, and see what grades that you have to get. But basically it's an exam that lets you get credit for a course just by taking the exam. You don't have to take it in college, and it's way cheaper than paying. It's like, you know what, I'm just gonna come back when I finish applying or whatever. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished result. When I got myself together, I just did my brows, put a little concealer under the eye, blush, and lipstick. I have to show you guys, because a lot of people really be thinking that I do my makeup heavy every single day. I have to show you guys what I do. But yeah, so I'm gonna be wearing black opium today because it's Friday. Have to make sure I smell good because I need all the coins, okay? But yeah, so that's all. Then I'm gonna show you guys when I reach downstairs, and I always have to keep that water on me. I drink water 24/7, y'all. So anyway, here's my finished salmon. Ooh, ooh. Chef's kiss, y'all, okay? Like, why am I going like bruh, why did I do that? I put a lot just because I don't like no dry salad over here. I don't even like to taste the greens, okay? I'm not a real salad girl. I peel out the skin. Here's the salad. Okay, you guys. So I'm about to eat. This shit is. Bye, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe for more, okay?